In this video, we are going to be making our son's most requested food, BLTs, but stay tuned till the end of the video to watch us make some fancy hot chocolates. Let's get started. Are you hungry for recipes that won't break the bank or take up your entire day? Look no further, because we've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let's get cooking. Let's start making our BLTs. We have our griddle out, and our first step is to cook our bacon. Our bacon is ready to go, so we need to slice our tomatoes. Now that our tomatoes are all sliced, we have to prepare our lettuce. We have leaf lettuce, so let's cut the stem off and get our sandwiches made. Let's make our sandwich. First bread, then mayo. Throw some bacon on there. Our tomatoes. Lettuce. And let's add some salt. Just like that, our BLTs are ready. Let's see how we did.
Yes. I love BLTs. I love them. I've never done them.
It's hot chocolate time. First, we are going to fill our glasses with water. We are then going to heat up our water before adding in our hot chocolate mix. Our water is hot, so let's add in our hot chocolate mix. You can't have hot chocolate without marshmallows, so let's add some in. Now let's make these fancy. We are going to add some whipped cream. Everyone's choice of sprinkles. And lastly, a Hershey's bar. Look at these. The kids couldn't wait to have theirs. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our cooking playlist. Stay tuned for next week's recipe video. Thanks for watching.